Now we move to the next question, question number 9. Two angles of a hexagon are 120 degree and 160 degree. If the remaining four angles are equal, find each equal angles. Okay, so two angles are there given, 120 degree and 160 degree, and the remaining four angles are equal. So here we can suppose the remaining four equal angles be x, and then we can find out the sum of angles of a hexagon by adding all angles. Okay, and we can find out the sum of angles again by using formula, and then we can equate both. Okay, so let us see the answer. So two angles of a hexagon are 120 degree and 160 degree. Okay, let the remaining four equal angles be x degree. So sum of angles of a hexagon is 120 degree plus 160 degree plus 4x. Okay, so see children, here no need to write x plus x plus x plus x 4 times. Okay, directly you can write 4x. So the sum is 280 degree plus 4x. Now here we can find the sum of angles again because we are knowing the formula. Okay, sum of angles formula is n minus 2 into 180 degree. It is hexagon, so n is 6. 6 minus 2 into 180 degree, so it is 720 degree. So 280 plus 4x is the sum, where 720 is also the sum. So easily you can equate both, get the value of x. When you simplify this will come 110 degree. Therefore, remaining four each equal angles be 110 degree. Now we move to next question, question number 10. The figure given below shows a pentagon ABCDE with sides AB and ED parallel to each other, and angle B is 2, angle C is 2, angle D is 5 is 2, 6 is 2, 7. So one figure is there given, you can see. Okay, now what to find? Subpart 1, using formula, find the sum of interior angles of the pentagon. Subpart 2, write the value of angle A plus angle E, and subpart 3, find angles B, C and D. So see the figure, this figure is given A, B, C, D, E. It is a pentagon, okay, where AB and ED are parallel to each other. And angle B is 2, angle C is 2, angle D is 5 is 2, 6 is 2, 7. So here we can suppose angle B as 5x degree, angle C as 6x degree, and angle D as 7x degree. Now in subpart 1 we have to find out the sum of interior angles of the pentagon. So we can apply this formula, n minus 2 into 180 degree. Since it is a pentagon, n is 5. So 5 minus 2 into 180 degree, and finally it will come 540 degree. In subpart 2, we have to write down the value of angle A plus angle E. What angle A plus angle E? It's very simple children. It's co-interior angle, since AB is parallel to ED. So angle A plus angle E is 180 degree. Reason, co-interior angle. So it's very simple, since AB is parallel to ED. So angle A plus angle E is 180 degree, co-interior angle. Now in subpart 3 we have to find the angles of B, C and D. So here we have sum of interior angles, which is 540 degree. Now we can find out the sum of interior angles again, because we have few individual values and we have few combined values, like BCD values are there, BCD values are there, okay, and A plus E together is 180 degree. So according to figure, sum of interior angles of a pentagon is angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D plus angle E. and since A and E together value is there 180 degree, so first of all here we rearrange it and then further we substitute the value, which is 180 plus 18x, and then we equate this sum with 540. So we just make an equation, simplify it, and we get the value of x. And after getting the value of x, we substitute the value of x here in 5 into x, 6 into x, 7 into x, get all the 3 angles. Okay children? So when you simplify the equation, x will come 20 degree, and angle B, angle C and angle D are respectively 100 degree, 120 degree and 140 degree. Now question number 12 is similar to question number 10. Okay, so please try to solve this question yourself, and 13 and 14 also you can solve yourself. Now we discuss question number 11. Two angles of a polygon are right angles and the remaining are 120 degree each. Find the number of sides in it. Now the question is, there is a polygon having two angles are 90 degree each and the remaining angles are 120 degree. Since a polygon is given, number of sides is not known, it is a polygon. Okay, polygon is not specified. So here we suppose let the number of sides in the polygon be n. Okay, now two angles are 90 degree each. So when the number of sides is n, and if two angles are 90 degree each, then what is the remaining number of angles? Okay, the remaining number of angles are n minus 2. Okay, so that n minus 2 angles are 120 degree each. Okay children, so when the number of sides is n and two angles are 90 degree each, so two angles, first angle and second angle, what the remaining angles? The remaining angles are n minus 2, that are 120 degree each. So with this two statement we can find out the sum of interior angles. Since two angles are 90 degree each, their sum is 2 into 90. Instead of writing 90 plus 90, you can write 2 into 90. And since n minus 2 angles are 120 degree each, so their sum is n minus 2 into 120 each. So n minus 2 into 120, and when you simplify it, it will come 120 n minus 60 degree. Okay, now we have sum of interior angles of a polygon, which is n minus 2 into 180 degree, and when you break the bracket, it is 180 n minus 360 degree. So 120 n minus 60 is the sum, where 180 n minus 360 is also the sum. So easily we can equate both. We can simplify this equation and get the value of n. So n is 5. That means the number of sides is 5. So children, complete this exercise 16a, and for any query you contact me. Okay, clear? So that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.